Naradoo baby car camera with 10 LED lights, 1080p baby car monitor, rear facing seat with 5-inch baby car mirror with wide clear view and night vision to observe baby's movement. Safe driving. The baby car mirror can be stably installed in the center console or on the glass. You can easily observe the baby's movements without turning around. Help you drive safely. Night vision function. Baby rear-facing seat car mirror is equipped with high-definition infrared lens, with amazing night vision function. In any conditions, can give you a clear view. Let you can see your baby at night. Easy installation. You only need to spend a few minutes, and you can easily install it successfully. Naradoo baby car camera is designed with quick installation, no tools needed. Plug the power cord into the cigarette lighter, install the LCD monitor, and it works. The LCD monitor will automatically turn on and switch to the baby's rear seat. 12V cigarette lighter is suitable for most models. HD vision. 10 LED bulbs, 1080p HD camera plus 5-inch LCD screen is our baby car monitor, has a very clear and wide field of view. Let you use it for more peace of mind. Suction cup stand. Car camera for baby has the latest suction cup stand with more stable suction. 270 degrees adjustment space makes you more comfortable to use and helps you adjust the right angle.